already the song.
She said take your time.
It is Alright guys, I'm so sorry. The audio probably sounds pretty bad. But I don't know what's going on with my DJI microphone. It's honestly like bad timing that I'm here in Mexico right now, because I honestly should have, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to not be working, so I don't know what's going on. So when I get back to the States, I'm gonna call DJI because this was too expensive for me to not be hearing myself. And I took the audio, like I took the microphone off and it was recording on the camera. I could hear myself talk from the camera microphone, but it wasn't, when I connected it back to the DJI mic, it wasn't recording a thing. So I'm like, that pissed me off. And I'm wasting a lot of time. I could have been at the taco place right now. It's a 30-something minute walk. That means I'm gonna get there at 11 o'clock if I leave right now. And it's Taqueria Orinoco. I'm not the best at pronouncing Spanish words, so please don't chew me up in the comments. This is my little outfit. I'm gonna try my best to show you what that looks like right now. And remember, everything is linked down in the Google Maps in the description box. All right, this is the outfit. I'm trying to project my voice, and I know it's a bit dark in this little corner, but I can't remember where this is from. My mom's closet. But I feel like it's just perfect. It's very loose, very cute, romper, and grab the side of the shoes. I'm wearing my Tory Burch flats, and I got my J. Crew tote. I have my wallet stuffed in a sock, so maybe if somebody try pickpocket me, they're gonna feel like they're my teeth are socks and know it. I have a bottle of water for my 30+ minute walk. I got my fan as well, and my hair look crazy because I need a trim, and I was gonna give myself a trim, but I procrastinated. I was very tired. Lip gloss from Fenty, and of course my trusted phone sidekick. So let's go. I really wish the audio was recording better. I'm gonna figure it out. If I can't call DJI tonight, my alpha figures out. Like, I'm just at awe. Like, I don't know. Anyways, let's go. So before I head out, I have one earbuds in and I have my Google Maps loaded. So even if it disconnects, it will try its best to get me back. Like, I can make it back. I can make it back. So yeah, 31 minutes. I'll get there at 11:13, and I'll do my best to record just some cute things in the area. I hope y'all like it. Let's go. So I'm here and I ordered this is the name of the place, Taqueria Orinoco. Vamos de novo agora. Pra vlog. I got pastor, four tacos for here. I got 4 to go, and I got some quesadilla. I don't know. I feel like it all came up to 261 pesos, which is $12. You know, in a Miami, in a New York, No, but it would be like 14, 17, yeah, anywhere from $14 to $17 for three. Alright. Oh, that was not my order. They give you a number. So yeah, 43. Just a wait for my food to come. Maybe I should have ordered a Coke. Everybody I eat and talk. Yeah, I'm glad I walked here. And at the smallest piece to take. Thank God I have water on my back. I just never have water. But I have to run to the cash register and beg a drink. Alright, let's see what this one has. Hold on. Oh, that one tastes lemony. Just wait. One of these must have like a different type of lemon. Let's see. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. This one is like creamy. Yeah, these are all hot. And you know they're already really good. Alright, so this right here, this is the winner. That's the winner. That's the most mild one. I just don't like hot food. I feel like if my food is too hot, I'm focusing more on like, oh my god, how hot this is. Like, I'm not even focus on how delicious it is. But this right here, this is like killer. Do you see how it even looks? Bro. Yeah, I have your friends. And then this is also hot, but like you can tell they put like lemon juice in it. So that it tastes the lemon, but just as hot as the other one. But you can see like it's completely different. Ciao. I wish my microphone, for some reason my microphone not working. It's not working. Yeah, it's not working. So I'm raw dogging the camera with the audio because I don't have the other microphone with me. So let me show you. Raw dog. No microphone or nothing. Alright. Oh, I'm so excited. Come bring the food. I'm hungry. No, it's not huge. It's like average. It's not huge. Alright, let's see. I didn't take a picture. This one was the winner, right? guys, there's music playing, but it's actually crazy. Why did I finish those 4 tacos in what? 5 minutes? But basically 5 minutes. As you can see, oh my god, it was so good. But again, I have my to-go option because I'm gonna walk back to the hotel, and that's gonna take me like a 30-minute walk. I'm gonna take these limes, I should say, sorry, to go. Because I doubt they put any in the bag. Oh, they put different sauces. That's so nice. They put different options. They put everything in here. So when I go back to the hotel, I'm gonna experiment with something hot. Again, Taqueria, Orinoco. So good. I'm walking back to the hotel, another 30 minutes, but my food came literally within a minute. It was far less people there than earlier, so it came really quickly. But whew, that was so delicious. I'm gonna tell you, so like the food just fresh and tastes good. Like, bro, I feel like I could eat 10 of them. I feel like I could eat 10 of them, and that's how you know the ingredients is healthy, because I don't feel sleepy or I don't feel sleepy or bloated, or you know, like I'm gonna feel full, which is amazing because that leaves room for more food. Again, if the audio sounds terrible, please bear with me, and if I just sound like I'm yapping for no reason, avoid me. Ignore me. Yeah, I like Mexico City, for at least this little part that I got to see. So let's see what tomorrow holds. When I get back to the hotel room, I'm gonna set up and show you the food, and yeah. Guess who fixed the audio? This girl. I'm all ready. It's after 10. I should have left like 3 hours ago, to be honest. 4, if we're being real honest. But we're all ready to go. And yeah, I got my sneakers on. I got my tote bag, my water, my cute outfit that I'm going to show you really quickly. And I'm ready. I'm ready to explore Mexico City. I'm ready to, you know, just get some culture. I think that's, and food. Because that taco was good last night, and I ate off the rest this morning. So OOTD, and let's go. Here we go. This is the outfit. I got this skirt from Shein a very long time ago, and these sneakers are Adidas Sambas. J. Crew bag with a bunch of stuff inside, and this top is from H&M. I love it. I love the sheerness of it. It's like the perfect sheerness. And then I got my Apple Watch because I need to track my steps, my Pandora bracelets. I should find a Pandora. And get a charm from Mexico City. Other bracelets, my rings, makeup, and my hair is pinned back with this clip. And I think I'm gonna try and find some other clips because the claws on this clip is metal and it'll kill me. Like, it's not killing me so bad, but it's a bother me. And that's the outfit. Let's go. Out in civilization, and it looks good. It looks really good. Like your regular metropolitan city, but with more culture.
So it's gonna take me 27 minutes to walk to 24 minutes to walk to Roma Norte. And when I get there, I'm probably gonna try to find a cafe. So I really hope the audio is good because I watched a YouTube video that told me that I should turn down my camera audio. So I did. And I just hope you can hear me. I didn't show you this, but these are my Ray-Bans. I got them in Italy. Alright, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And when I see anything cool, I'll share with you. They sure do have some really cute cafes here. Really cute cafes. Look, they have little seating areas outside. And they have little menus. It's called Cafe Galetas Bagels Pan. I'm gonna let y'all read the sign. So cute. Y'all may think I'm actually crazy, but I promise I'm not. It's such a quiet street, so if anybody tried to run up on me, yeah, nah, I got them. The people are so friendly here. You know how much people randomly... Oh, this is the store that I went into. Okay, hold on. I'm here at the location. But do you know how much people randomly said hello to me and good morning? And, you know, just have manners. A lot of people don't have manners. So I really like it here. Guys, I'm in this store and look how beautiful it is in here. You know, I can't talk for long. I love this store now. It's a really nice store and I like the playlist that they keep playing. And the way they decorate the place is just really nice. It's really nice. It's linked in my Google Maps. So if you want to check it out. Guys, look at the heart detail. I just noticed that. And it's called, well, I thought it was Black Life. It's Back to Life. Which is great for a thrift store because it is going back to life. That's so smart. Alright, that's it for this store. But it looks so nice in here. Like, I'm gagged. Guys, I bought a ring. It's basically this bottom one here, but in my size. And it's sterling silver. And really, that was a really good price. So, and my grandpa has one. And so I've always been looking for a I think it's called a signet ring. But yeah, gotta check it out. Okay, so I got a coaster, I got a ring. Who am I? You know, I work really hard and I don't be spending my money. I pay for my car payment, I pay the electric bill every now and then, but I'm glad, like I spent my money, my birthday's coming up. Oh, look, it's what is this? Ooh. Should I go look inside? I know I won't be able to record. So I'm gonna go look inside at the artwork. Yeah. Yeah, it looks so good in here. I don't know. I just saw a glimpse of it when I was walking and I'm like, this is the spot. And by the look of these guys' drinks, they look like they have some good cocktails. I'm trying to sneak a shot of their cocktails.
I apologize in advance for the blinking lights, but I just scanned the QR code for the menu. And of course there's music playing, so y'all know I can't talk for long, but the menu is about to pop up. They have an English menu and a Spanish menu. I think I may get me something light to eat. Now, the two places that I got things from, the ring, let me show you the ring real quick. I've been wanting a signet ring. I gotta use mine for the longest time. Don't judge my nails. Don't play with me. But this is a ring. Like I said, Grandpa also has one of these, but his fingers are way bigger than mine for me to snatch it up. But yeah, it fits perfectly right here. I love it. It's kind of big if I'm being 100% honest. Let me see if it fits here. Let's see. Oh my God, it's big. All right, I don't know. I think I played myself. It's kind of big. All right, let me figure this out. I'm gonna figure out which finger it goes on. I definitely really like it here, and I think I will be coming back. Like, I don't know, it's giving vibes. People are so friendly. And I really like that about a city. Once people are friendly, I feel like, you know, it's all set. I think the ring is too big for my hand. It's starting to annoy me. But we'll see. Alright, let's order to drink. I want that drink that guy has because I see strawberry in it. And I want some strawberry and mint. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Alright guys, I got everything now. I got my berry mojito, and I was gonna order soft crab tacos, but they were on the brunch menu. So I got a berry, like fruit bowl basically, and it comes with granola and a bunch of stuff. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. To be honest, I thought it was just gonna be a bowl of fruits. But child, I'm ready. This looks really good. So let's see. Oh, the background music is giving medieval times. Medieval X fairy, X troll, X adventure, X warlock. That's what it's giving. I want to take a cute picture, and then I'm about to chomp, because y'all know how I eat. You know how I bust down. I think this is honey. Yes, I believe this is honey. It looks so good. I don't even want to eat it. All right, let me get my little videos. There's nobody behind me. I can get some good shots. The food tastes so good. Like the drink. Okay, I'm lying. Let's try the food because I haven't tried the food. It's alright. Covered under all this granola. I don't want to make a mess. This cocktail though is so good. One drink got me feeling it, to be honest, because now I was gonna get another drink. I'm like, my eyes must close in a slow motion, and thank God they have Wi-Fi for customers, so I was able to look up some more things to do in Mexico City. And now
I found 2 places that I would love to go to. The only thing is like I don't know if I paid. Like I don't have a receipt, but I don't think I paid. I don't think I paid yet. Yeah, I definitely didn't pay it. So now we need to come back. I think I may bring the ring back and get the ring resized because there's no way. Not resized, but get another size because I feel like any shaky. I know I keep obsessing over this ring, and Unaga lick me real soon, but it's too big, and it's upsetting me and my homegirls. Look how easily that move around my finger. I don't know. But then again, I feel like, what if my hands get bigger when I get older? You know? But you can't even see. There's a lot of space. Anyways, I'm obsessing over the ring now. So I'm gonna have to think about it. This place is nice. Definitely check them out. It's in the Google Maps links. Trespassito. Yeah. I'm gonna get some more B-roll shots. So I'll see you guys in a bit. To that jewelry place and change the ring because I feel like if I paid $68 for it, I would actually like to wear it and be confident in knowing that it's not gonna fall off on my hand. So I'm gonna walk back there. But there's this other place that I want to check out, and I think I also want to go to the park. It's currently 1:23 right now, so we still have 5 hours until I'm going to head back to the hotel. So we're back where we started. I got my ring exchanged for a 8.5 because the 9 was way too big. I don't know why I picked up a size 9. Like, I know a size 9 don't fit me. So what size 9 I go? Right? We kept sliding around, so she was so friendly and so nice, and she checked the size and make sure. Whew. It's getting hot. I'm getting tired again. I need to find somewhere else. So let me figure out where I'm going, and then I'll be right back. I've found the cafe that I saw a lot of people post about on TikTok, and I got me an iced matcha latte. So let's see how this tastes. I wish I had a straw. Yeah, I wish I had a straw. Even then, I hate the shape. Like, why make it shape? Like, why tilt it up like that? I don't know. It's alright. It tastes just like the one at Starbucks. With oat milk. That's what I put in mine. I don't know how much sweetener they put in here, but I don't think it's much. Because whenever I get any from Starbucks, it isn't any more than 1 pump of syrup. Anyways, when I talk about matcha, guys, I'm tired. I'm ready to crash out. I'm ready to crash out. Like, if I wasn't doing this vlog, I would have been like, yep, that is it for the day. But I'm very determined to do some more things, and I really would like to go to the park. Because when I went to Rome, was it Rome? No, it wasn't Rome. It was Athens. When I went to Athens, they had the most beautiful park, and I loved walking around it. I walked around that park until it was closed. Scaredy Kim was like, y'all got to go. So if you haven't checked out my Athens vlog, I'm gonna pop the thumbnail up here. It's definitely gonna be either up top or in the description box. So make sure you go and check out that. That's one of my favorite vlogs from like my work trips. So it would mean a lot to me if you do go and check out that Athens vlog. I'm sitting here on the side of the street, people watching, and I love it. I think I like this little laugh. Alright, y'all probably sick and tired of me yapping. So I gotta figure out where that park is, figure out where Zara is, and then I think I know what restaurant I want to end off my night at. So I'm just gonna sit here and plan out a little bit of stuff, and then I'll talk to y'all. Guys, look, why Jamaica name after in everything? Why Jamaica name after in everything? I wonder if it's good. Too bad I just finished this whole matcha, and I feel like if I drink another drink after the PP, and I don't know where that will be. So another time I'm gonna have to come back for this. Alright guys, we are here in the Mercado, and so far so good. I found a jewelry store, but I'm gonna walk around and see what else I can find. But they have a bunch of beautiful handmade crafts. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I definitely will be leaving here with something, but we just don't know what yet. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I found this pinky ring. Let me show you. It's all wrapped up, but when I tell you, it's so cute. I saw the little old lady, and I don't know, she just kept staring at me. So I'm like, let me go look at what she has. And it took a while, but I found something I could support. I just felt nice doing that, you know? Especially because if I'm gonna walk around and find other jewelry, I just think it would be nice. So this is what it looks like on my pinky, and it was literally $12, 12 US dollars, and it's sterling silver. So I thought, what a steal. Perfect. Now we're gonna keep on walking around the Mercado, and it kind of tight, look a bit, you know, but it's alright. I've never had a pinky ring before, so that's always something I was looking into. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna keep walking around, see what other jewelry I can find, and yeah, maybe get some more food. I feel like that 20-something minutes that it took me to get here, I've walked it off. So now we're hungry again. Get what I'm saying? They have a lot of the stores selling the mask. I can't remember what the wrestlers are called, but there's a lot of stores selling them. See, here we have some more of them. I don't know, but these are something I want Jamaica color, guys, I would buy it. But there's so much. Really? No, it's the green reflecting. Yeah, you can't see, but I thought this one had Jamaica colors, but they're missing the green. Sweets are very popular in Mexico. You know how much people must say I sell sweetie? It's very popular. First of all, I heard this man say Shakira, and I don't know, something's telling me that he was talking about me, and the hips don't lie. Oh look, that's so pretty. I don't know any babies this tiny. Oh my god, baby fever. Oh, so pretty. I should buy this for my future daughter, because I just know God is going to give me a daughter. So cute. Alright, let's keep walking around. This reminds me of the time that I was at the Tsukiji fish market in Tokyo. The only thing, instead of it being food, it's craft. So if you haven't checked out that Tokyo vlog, make sure y'all go and do so. I have 2 parts. Alright guys, I bought more jewelry. I bought a ring and some earrings, some hoops, hoop-de-hoops, sterling silver, and it didn't cost me any more than $70 for the 2 of them. So I consider that a steal. Guys, I tell you, I'm starting to feel overwhelmed. Matter of fact, I feel lost. That's how big this place is, and I feel like I'm walking in a circle. So we're just gonna check out a couple more jewelry places and then probably leave, because I already spent, like, if you add up all the jewelry, I already spent $120. worth of money on jewelry from like all the spots. And so, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna take my buying nobody no souvenir. I did that for like every location that I went to, and I don't think it's feasible. And then I never spend anything on me. So why am I'm trying to justify spending money on myself. But yeah, so I love people, but if I see something and it catch my eye and I think of somebody, I'll get it for them. But the days of me trying to kill up myself to buy something for people to bring back home is long gone. But like I said, if I do see something, I bring back for people because, child, it gets really expensive to buy for like everybody, and then chances are they don't like it or they never use it. So yeah. But I see some really unique rings over here. I'm gonna check them out. All right, I found my entrance. Well, I don't think this is where I entered. However, my hotel is only, it's not far. It's only like a 13-minute walk away from where I am now. So thank God, because my phone is on 7%. So I've memorized the route just in case my phone wants to be died. Because you know, Apple phones, guys, Apple phones, sometimes literally you'll have 5% and it's just dead. How does that work? But it was great. It's really huge, and at first I never understood what a TikToker meant when she was like, oh, it's so huge, I didn't even get to see everything. And she wasn't lying. It's really, 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 really huge. Like all the vendors, I didn't get to see not even a quarter of what they have, but it was really nice. Very overwhelming too, because there's a lot of the same type of vendors. So it just basically like who you're booking to first and who have the best price. But yeah, I'm gonna walk back. All in all, I have felt pretty safe walking around here, and it's a very walkable city. I've walked literally everywhere. I have 2 more hours until I've decided my bedtime. So I think I may just go to the hotel, charge up my phone and camera a bit, and then walk over to that place that I had found on TikTok and get dinner there. Or I may go back to the Taqueria Orinoco. It all depends. I didn't get to try any pastries this time around, so next time I will definitely get into that. If not before the end of the night, we'll see. One thing I haven't done yet is try an actual vendor. I'm gonna ask if them take card, and then we're gonna see. I hope they do, because I don't got no cash on me. All right, so as expected, they don't take card. So that was unfortunate, but I was kind of expecting it. But you never know, because a lot of the vendors in the market, they had a card machine, like a very small one that looked like a calculator, but it was a card machine. So, but I know there's fees with that, so I can't rang them finna take it. Yeah, but it looked like it would have been so good. And trust me, if I could have get some cash, I definitely would have. I just haven't been here long, and you know, don't have much time. Sorry. Haven't been here long, won't be here that long. So I just going to charge up my phone like I said I'm gonna do, and then walk over to the Taqueria Orinoco and get some food to go. I'm gonna get food for my flight as well. I know I can't bring the beef and the pork into the US, but the flight is almost 5 hours long from Mexico City to JFK. What I'm gonna do is getting out of breath. What I'm gonna do is eat that food on the plane. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did yesterday and get the 2 sets. Some to eat now and some for later. I'm 2 minutes away from the hotel. I'll see you guys when I get back to the room. Bye. It's me again. The food place that I would have gone to earlier that I was talking about, that's closed. At least it's gonna be closed in the next 20 minutes and I would not reach it on time. So I'm walking to the Taqueria in Roma Norte, and that's gonna take me 34 minutes. So I'm gonna get my steps in today. Thank God it's still daylight, so at least we can still see some nice, some nice things, some fun views. And maybe I'll stop into another little place, a pastry, like a bakery, and get something cute. Well, speaking of bakeries, walking right by one. All right, I'll see you guys in 33 minutes. So I woke up on this store that looks so cool. Look at how nice. They have a multitude, I think that's a word, of brands here. The Paloma wool jeans. I've heard of Paloma wool, and I would definitely purchase, but I don't think this is my size. I'm gonna have to try it on. And also, look at these bikinis. Girl, where are the bottoms? I do not have enough bottoms. I mean, maybe I do. I have way too much for that. It's so sexy though. It's sexy. I give it to them. But it looks so cool. I'm gonna try this on because it'll be really quick. And then, yeah, it's linked down below. But I was just walking and I saw how nice it looks. Okay guys, so I'm here now at Taqueria, Orinoco. And I'm just gonna be basically the same thing that I got yesterday. But we finally reached. After stopping a couple times, finally reached. I'm in line and there's 2 people ahead of me. But yeah, should be quick. I'm getting everything to go. And then I found this cute pastry place, like way down the road, but it's on our way back home. So I've ordered and I'm waiting on my food. Let me tell y'all what I got. I got 2 campechana and 4 taco pastor. And it came up to 394 pesos, which is, let me do the math real quick. $3.94, $19. So basically $20 for like the campechana is really what brought the price up because they're $6 each and there's 2 of them. And when I tell you they're like this big, it's this big. It's a taco, one single taco that's this big. So they cut it in half, but it's full of like avocado. It got cilantro. You have different sauces. Your lemon. You get pineapple. You get a bunch of stuff on the side. So for $20 in America, that would have probably like $40-something. So a win is a win. Yesterday I only spent like $14. Very affordable. Waiting now for my food. Alright, the food has been secured. I may not get the pastry, but I'm gonna show y'all and we'll see. Guys, I'll show you the cute pastries in a second. After I came in, I kid you not, like 10 other people came in behind me. So there is quite a line, but I did get my pastry to go and I got another iced matcha latte. This place will also be in the Google links. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Music is playing. I want to be really quick, but it's going to be the only pastry bakery place that you see. So it wouldn't be too hard to find. And then I want to show you guys my little pastry. I do want to try it, but I'm going to probably eat the majority of it when I get back to the hotel. But it's so cute. I need to take a picture. I forgot to mention that this one is red velvet. Wow, this is so good. It's so thick. Okay. To get back to the hotel. Sorry, I know you can barely see that well.
That was really nice. This is the matcha. And they have straws and a little stir stick, but I only need the straw. The other place didn't have any straws, that's why I brought that up. That's so cute. It is kind of dark, like it's not as pigmented green as I'm used to. It looks different, but let's see how it tastes. I don't know, this tastes. I didn't know what it is yet, but it's not as good as the other one. I'm gonna tell you that for now. But the red velvet cake, delicious, delicious. Hey guys, I reached back to the hotel, and I'm gonna. Oh my God! Was I really walking that aggressive? Y'all, the box broke open. Are you kidding? My cake. Thank God I took my picture. My cake is all ugly. Let me see if it messed up my bag real bad. Not real bad. Yes, really not bad. The oil in this mess. This bag is on to go in the washing machine. Okay, we're good. Oh, we're good. We're fine. It needs to shake out, but it's not crazy. Anyways, I'm ending the vlog off here. And actually, this is so disgusting. I didn't even drink it. It's so disgusting. The only reason why I'm saving it is because I'm gonna put it in the fridge. And when we're leaving to go to the hotel, since it is matcha and it does have energy and I'm doing a red eye, I'm gonna save it and just chug it like a shot or something. Well, not chug it because then I'll pee, but I'll hold my breath every time I drink it. It's nasty as heck. Like, as heck. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. But I hope you like this Mexico vlog. The red velvet cake though is delicious. Delicious. And I'm sad that it looks so ugly. But guess what? It's in my bag. And if it's somebody else's bag, I'm going to know what I'm doing with it. I'm going to be eating this red velvet cake tonight. Probably save some for the plane because I brought my lunch kit. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see next. Also, let me know if Mexico City is on your list. Let me know if I did a good job. I really hope I did. And I really hope the audio has been good. I know it's shaky throughout the video, so please forgive me for any instances that may be crazy. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then sleep for an hour and a half and then get up and go to work. So again, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for another one. Bye.
She said, take